Shit. Charging. Today on Ken's Outdoor World, I'm going to the thick forests of Suffield, Connecticut, looking to do some handgun hunting. Ken's Outdoor World. I'm doing some hunting up in the wooded forests of Suffield, Connecticut. Now, what I'm hunting today was with a pistol, which is a .45 automatic chambered in what's called the 400 Corbine cartridge. Basically, it's a .45 neck down to 40 caliber. It shoots a 135 grain bullet at 1,450 feet per second, which is going pretty good. What I'm hunting with for today, it's kind of minimal for them, because these things have been known to attack humans before, but I'll give it a shot. These things are, you'll be out in the woods and you'll run into a whole field of these things, all sitting in there in herds, thousands of them. If you run into them, the best thing you can do is just slow down and back away very slowly. You don't want to disturb them. I mean, these things have been known to go in residential sections, wander around there, and I'll tell you what, when you see one, you're going to be scared, especially when their eyes start glowing. When they get pissed off, their eyes glow. It's just best to start running and hope for the best. Now, so I'm going to go try to find one of these things. I could be walking in the woods for hours before I find one, but we'll give it a shot. So, here we go. I think I see one. The trick with hair, you got to move them very slowly. You don't move too fast, but they've been known to attack humans. Okay, I got it close enough. I'm pretty close. I'll take a shot in a few minutes. I gotta relax for a minute. My heart's beating like crazy. What I should do is stop filming. These things, if they hear me, they could possibly attack. These things have been known to hurl themselves through the air and actually hit people. Well, this gun stops him. I got one in my sights. Okay, he's right up there, yonder. I might have to shoot quick. Get a good shot off at him. One shot off. Hopefully that stops him. He went down, but he might get back up. Shit, he's charging. I think I got him. Oh, my heart's beating like fast as hell. I had another camera set up, so hopefully I can get some footage of me actually hitting him and knocking him down. He's right over there. I don't know if you probably can't see him. He's right over there yonder. About 100 feet in, laying down. So, let's see if we can find. Let's see if I can find him. Give him a couple, like 20 minutes to make sure he's dead. Then I'll go in and get my trophy. Okay, after I hit him, he ran like 50 yards that way into the woods. See if I can find him. I think he's dead. Bring my pistol just in case. I don't know if you can see him. He's right there. He's right there. Looks like he's down next to a tree. Gotta be careful, because if he's not down, he could charge. So, gotta be ready for anything. This is my first kill for one of these things. Actually, no. Yeah, my first kill. And, this is how he is. Well, that's it. I just gotta drag him out of the woods, and that's it. We're gonna make some nice pumpkin pie out of them. So, okay, gutting these things are pretty easy and straightforward. Doesn't take a lot of talent or whatsoever. It's just, you know, anybody who are squeamish shouldn't watch this. Turn off the video now. But basically, here's what we do. Cut the top off with a knife. Usually the head comes right off it. Just reach in. You see? Got all the innards in there. Reach in and just start. Pretty gross, huh? Pull the innards out. Throw them to the ground. Hands get a mess. But that's pretty much it. That's pretty much it for gutting it. Get all the innards out and just take it home and cook it up. Thanks. Until next time, that's it for Ken's Outdoor World.